Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain about the program number 27 and program number 40 because some of the students are asking me the explanation for program number 27 and 40, and these two programs are anyhow very important for final theory exam. Okay, so first of all, let us see program number 27, the programs. So let's see the output of this program. So basically we are supposed to display the pineapple image or any image actually speaking, but the name of the image I have chosen is a pineapple image because the image is not available in the system, in my system. So image is not coming. So basically the program is we have to display the image and apply various types of filters whatever we are available. We are having that. Okay, now let us see if I would have an image, so how the effect will be. So I will download one image which is somewhat related to the pineapple because the code is related to that. So I download this into my system, save image as. So it's a JPG file. I will be saving it on my desktop. Yeah, and now it is saved. So my program, my program 27th program and the image, so both are available on the desktop folder. So not at all a problem. Now let us see. Yeah, so now you can see the image is available, so that's why the image is taking so different types of filters. Okay, so there are the names, okay, the names, different names of these filters. Okay, so let us see that. But basically the program looks very big, but literally speaking the program is very easy. You basically have to understand at least one line, one core line of the program, so that's greatly sufficient. Okay, so first of all, let's try to make this program in a simple manner to understand. So this is the image default style, which is developed in cascading style sheets format, and rest all onwards you see here, this is the blur effect. You can see here blur effect and brightness effect, contrast effect, grayscale, hue rotate, invert, opacity, saturate, sepia, shadow effect. These are all things I am writing in within the style tag. Okay, and always style tag must be written within the head tag. So next, in the body tag, what we are supposed to do, I don't display any text. Okay, so I'm just displaying. Okay, I don't want to display this text also. I'm removing all the text, right? So in the body tag, what is there, please notice. So in the body tag, actually I am displaying the image. Okay, so this is the main image. Okay, this is the main image. So you can see here pineapple.jpg, it's a pineapple image. Alt means I hope everybody know about the image tag. So alt means when image is not able to be displayed, this word will be displayed. Okay, when image is not displaying, then under alt attribute whatever you write, that is going to be displayed. Next, width and height is what we are showing here. Okay, width is width of the image and height of the image we decided as 300 pixel here. Okay, so next you see here this line. Okay, only two lines. Yeah, only two lines you have to learn in the entire code. First main thing. Okay, so that is this line. Okay, so image class is equal to blur. Please remember. Okay, class is equal to blur. Dear students, where is the class definition of blur? Okay, so here, by the way, because the dot symbol is there, can you see dot? So any style, this is a style, this is a cascading style sheets style. So this style is having a name. The name of this style is blur. Okay, so before the name what symbol is there? There is a dot symbol. So this blur is a class. Okay, in this context blur is a class name. Okay, you write your name. Okay, so for example I will write simply say JVS. Now this style name is what? This style name is JVS. Okay, so now what is JVS means? It is a class. Okay, we have to call this as a class. Okay, so this style, what is this style? Please read this. Okay, only read this one. Okay, WebKit, this you don't read. Okay, this part you don't read. What the data I am selecting, don't read that. Okay, read the remaining. Filter. Okay, what is a filter? Blur must be 4 pixel. And next style you see here, filter. Brightness must be 0.3. Contrast. Only filter part you read. So, sir, then filter part we are reading. Okay, very good. Then why? What is the code? What is this code? Why we are writing this code? See here also you see here filter blur 4 pixel. Here also filter blur 4 pixel. But you are writing one word called WebKit. Dear students, sometimes what will happen is the browsers cannot identify this style, means filter blur 4 pixel. So if the browser not able to identify the style what you specified, then you need to use a word called WebKit. So it's a kit, right? So it will, all the styles can be rendered by the browser. Okay. So this is the safe way of writing the program. Okay. So if this effect is not applied, so it will get the effect from this because you are using the WebKit. Okay. So now think, see basically how much you have to learn. Actually speaking, you have to learn only this much. Okay, so filter blur is 4 pixel. So this one line you learn, and the next what is there? Okay, so because filter may not may be applied, may not be applied. So safe side you are putting what you are putting, WebKit you are putting. Okay, so WebKit, and the next what you are writing, WebKit filter. Let us see, WebKit filter. Okay, so WebKit filter, the style is a blur and 4 pixel. Okay, so now this is a blur is what, class name. So this is style you are calling here. Okay, because it is called blur is called here class, so class is equal to blur. Okay, src is equal to pineapple.jpg, and the remaining everything is common. Everywhere you see here only class name is keeping changing. So source is common, alt is common, width is common, height is common. Okay, but don't get scared by looking into the big program. Okay, so basically speaking, we wrote the style, here, and for that style we gave the name. Okay, what style you are applying, that name only I gave as a class name, and that class I am calling in the body tag. That's it. Okay, so for your clear understanding, once again what I am going to do, just to demonstrate the output part to you. See here, this is our program. Okay, so next you see one more thing here. Okay, now blur you make it, say for example 10 pixel. Okay, so now let us see what is going to happen for the blur effect. For the blur effects, you see more blur is happening. Okay, you make it as 1 pixel. Let me save this program, 1 pixel, and see here, now let's save the program. Yeah, see now there is not much blur effect. You see there is a blur effect between the original image and this image. Okay, so if you keep on increasing the number, it will keep on. So basically different type of filters you are applying, right? So now finally what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all this programming code, because every time you just say brightness ka value, contrast value, grayscale value. So basically you have to remember some value and you have to write it, right? Okay, so now I'm deleting all the code. So what you have to remember, because I wanted to make this program so simple, so I'm doing like this. Yeah, and finally one more thing also. Yeah, so original image and blur effect, only two things. Okay, original image and blur effect. Now see the program. Okay, so that's it. Sir, how many filter effects we have to write in the exam? At least six. At least six. In worst scenario, four filters you have to display in the program. Okay, so that's all. Maybe in theory or in practical exam, at least six styles, six filters. If you if you show that, then that is greatly enough. Okay, so I hope now the program is very easy for you to understand. Okay, so in the style tag I am writing the default image height and width, and it must be on the left side. floating effect should be starting from the left side, and one filter effect is called blur effect. The class name I gave is blur, and then afterwards I am displaying the normal image, and I am displaying the image by calling the class called blur. Nothing but the blur effect I am applying. Okay, so I hope everybody understand about this program, and just saving this, closing this program, and let us look into the program number 40. So see here, program number 40, they are asking to demonstrate math objects. Now dear students, I will tell you, first of all let me directly edit the program. Actually what I gave to you, opening the notepad, opening this program in the notepad. First of all I'll be showing the output. See, output will come like this. Actually these all are called constant numbers. Okay, these are called constant numbers. Okay, so this is a Euler number, this is pi value, this is the logarithm value when base is 2, logarithmic value when base is 10, and logarithm, this is the square root of 2. Okay, so this is fixed. You ask anybody in the world, so square root of 2 is this number only, square root of, I mean the pi value is this is only. So these pi, e, ln2, ln10, these all are constant values. Okay, now let's look here, just math object in JavaScript. Okay, so just go your Google and just find out this. I will be showing you. See, I just now I told you, no, so math.e. So if you wanted to print the e value, you have to say math.e. So now let's look into the program. The program looks very big, so need not to worry. I'm making the program so simple here. So document here I'm using the script tag. Document dot write of math.e. Okay, so this is what I'm going to print here, and then afterwards I'm just closing it, because first of all I would like to show you that the program is very easy. Okay, so in the script tag, because this is JavaScript coding, so that's why we are writing in the script tag, and script tag we need to write it in the head tag, but we can write in the body tag also. So now I think you understand about this program. So basically what is there, JavaScript coding is there, and within the JavaScript coding I am just printing. So dear students, this is like a printf statement. Okay, write function is like printf, but this write function is available in an object called document, so that's why we are writing like document.write. So simply it is like a printf, printing what Euler number. Okay, so it's just printing a Euler number, but e is again a value which is available in a object called math. Okay, so that's why what we are writing, math.e we are writing. Okay, I'm saving the program, and now let us see the output part here. Okay, so program number 40. Now see, this is the output part. That's it, so simple. So in exam what you need to write, okay, math.e. Okay, and next math.pi. Okay, so save the program and reload the page. Now 3.14. okay, this is a pi value. Now logarithmic value ln2, natural logarithmic value when base is 2, so this is the value. Okay, so at least 4 constant numbers can't you remember? Okay, so sqrt. Okay, sqrt of 2, square root of 2. Okay, so what is square root of 2? So square root of 2 means 2. Your square root of 2 value will get 1 underscore 2 means 1 by 2. Okay, what is the square root of 1 by 2? Okay, so that's the value. Just save the program here and reload the web page to see 1 by 2 square root value is this. Okay, so I hope you understood it. By the way, these all are constants. Okay, so not only constants. Okay, so because the program should be very easy, I gave constants, but in exam point of view you have to cover the functions also. Example, so same thing you write. Okay, this is a constant value, square root of say square root of math.pi. It's a constant value, right? So these are constant values. Now let us see here, document.write of, and now I will find out. I wanted to find out the power of, say power of 2 comma 4. Power of 2 comma 4. What is power of 2 comma 4 mean? I mean power of means 2 power 4 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So when you try to execute this program, you will not get the output. Okay, because power is a function available in an object called math. So you have to write the word math dot. Okay, so now you will get the output. Okay, so here you need to close the parenthesis. Now save the program. And by the way, I will push this document dot, because I am writing in the script tag now. So break tag also I have to write within the this what you say, this document dot write function. Okay, so now save this program, semicolon, and so now pi value will come, and next 2 power 4 value will come. Okay, now let us see. Right, so this is the pi value, this is 2 power 4 value. Like this, dear students, try to insert at least let me write like this. Okay, if I write everything, then it will become big, and by seeing the big length of the program, you may get you may get feel like the program is very big, I can't able to do it. So don't feel like that. Okay, so I just keep on changing the values here. Okay, so 3 constants, 3 functions I will take. Okay, so one is pi value, one is Euler number, and next I will take the square root of 2. Okay, so square root of sqrt2. Okay, square root of 2, that's the meaning. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, it's a 2 square root of 2. We have to use capitals. Constants, no, always we have to use the capital letters only, constants. Okay, please remember this also. And this is one function, no. So like this, how many other functions do we have? Any other functions? Yeah, actually we have another functions. So I will show you that functions also. These all are called constants. Okay, so see, math properties, constant, these all are constant values. These all are constant values. Next functions. Okay, round function, seal function, floor function, truncate function. Okay, so round of 4.6. What will be the answer? Round of 4.6. So just click here and see round of 4.6. Okay, so the value is 5, right? So here also you do the same thing. Yeah, first of all take one break tag here, and first you apply the break tag, and then afterwards write document dot write off, math dot round is a function available in math object, no, round of 4.8. Okay, so like this you write here, and then afterwards take one more function also we will display, one more final function we will display. Next document dot write off, here which function, see which function is easy for you to remember, so that function only you can take, right? So what other functions are there? Let's see here. Seal function is there. Seal means it will take you to the next higher value. Floor means it will bring you to the least value. Okay, I mean get it to the 4.2 you write. Okay, floor of 4.2, it will bring you down, means the answer will be 4. Okay, so truncate function is there. Sign, very important. Okay, sign of any minus number you give, answer will be -1. If you give 0, answer will be 0. If you give any positive value, the answer will be 1. Okay, so please remember this. And many functions are there like this. Square root of 64, yeah, you can try this. Okay, I think this is very easy for you. sqrt of 64. What is the square root of 64? 8, right? But sqrt is available in where? Math object. So math dot. Okay, so math dot. Okay, so that's all. I think now the program is very easy. So this program only you have to write it in the practical exam. This program only you better write in the final theory exam. This math function, this is only math object, no. So in the program number 40, they asked only for math objects. But dear students, there is one very important theory essay type question. Explain math objects and date objects. That is very important. Okay, so data objects also you just have to type here, and see, just go to only this is a very good website, W3 schools. So from this website you just find out how to create the date. Okay, and what are the functions available for the date. So some kind of stuff you can fetch and just put it on your paper in the final exam. Okay, but basically now I'm focusing on the practical part, so that's why I'm just giving you the explanation about the math objects. So when they ask math objects, so if you cover at least three constant values and three functions, that is greatly sufficient. Okay, so I hope everybody understand about this program. And this is actually few students, like two students asked, so that's why I explained this. So still, if anybody ask any doubts, so I'm ready to help you. Okay, right. Thank you all of you, have a good day, bye.